What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this, it's probably because you're browsing around my channel. You want to see what it's about. So with saying that, let me introduce myself. My name is Michael Johnson. I am a producer for a national award-winning TV show.
For cinematography, videography, and none of this would be possible without the producer, the cameraman, the guy that's making it happen with the fishing story. My man right here, Michael Johnson.
On this channel, I do tech reviews. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the specs and the performance and why I think it's worth the $79 that they are asking for this webcam. I do camera comparisons. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video against the Canon EOS RP and the Blackmagic Ursa 4K Mini. The Ursas we use all the time when we're shooting TV shows out on the water, and we also use the Canon EOS RP all the time as well. It just depends if we're offshore, inshore, or bass fishing. I do drone distance. I see how far a drone can go before it cuts off or before I got to bring it back because of the battery. I'm doing the range test that I promised you guys on the new Mavic Mini. I came out here to an area that there should be no Wi-Fi signal, no type of signals that's going to mess up this range test. The wind it's kind of windy, but not too bad. So that's what you will find on this channel, is a whole bunch of tech stuff. I also do vlogs with my family, as you see here in this footage, and I also do a lot of traveling stuff because I do produce a TV show for a show that's on CBS, WFN, Amazon, Discovery. So with saying that, check out some of my content. I hope you enjoy it. If you're into tech, or if you're into production, or if you're into TV, how behind the scenes stuff, hit subscribe. I don't think you'd be disappointed. And also, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.